How to get Microsoft reward points faster. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna look up for a method on how we can use or get Microsoft points faster competitively. So without any further delay, let's get the video and let's get started. So first thing first, you can see this rewards browser here. So here you can see the points that you can achieve. So here I want you to go to a new tab and look for Chrome Web Store. Just type Chrome Web Store and wait for it to be loaded. Just tap on the very first option that you see here, very first link. Just tap on it and open it. After opening it, you should be able to see this here. And here on the search bar, I want you to search for Bing Odometer. Just type in that, and the very first option you see, this blue one, just tap on that option. After tapping on it, you need to add it into Chrome. Add the extension. Just tap on add to Chrome and wait for the extension to be downloaded onto your device. And here you will receive a pop-up that says add extension on the above side of your screen. After that, add it into extension and get back to Microsoft Rewards. Just get back. And here, I want you to tap on this points breakdown, and here tap on PC search. And wait for it to be loaded. After that, here, tap on the extension that we just added. Just tap on it and enter the seconds and timing here. Just enter the timing. And after the timing is added, just tap on search. After adding on search, you should be able to get rewards easily as the search bar gets fast. Your search gets faster within the seconds that you've just added. You can see the more search, the more points you get. So by this way, you can get more Microsoft points. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.